Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Docker Swarm. I'm going to make two videos on Docker Swarm. In this video, I'm going to talk about the basics of Docker Swarm and why do we need Docker Swarm. In next video, I will do some hands-on on Docker Swarm. So let's start. So what is Docker Swarm? A Docker Swarm is a clustering and scheduling tool for Docker containers. It allows administrator and developer to establish and manage a cluster of Docker nodes as a single virtual. So the next question, why do we need Docker Swarm? So Docker Swarm provides some benefits, like you can do a health check of nodes in the cluster. You can scale up nodes as per your requirement. You can also do load balancing as per the incoming request. You can also launch fixed number of containers of specific image. So try to understand one scenario. Say you have one application server which can serve X clients. If you need to serve twice the amount of clients, you may increase the resources on the server or create another instance of application server that is load balanced with the first server. As your need increases, you will increase the cluster by commissioning additional application servers. Some applications have cluster feature built into them to help speed up and automate the rolling additional nodes in the cluster. Docker comes with a way to create swarm of cluster nodes by creating required number of application container. It allows you to deploy any number of application servers over any number of hosts with a few commands, and then you can scale back just as easily. So these are some basic benefits of Docker Swarm. We will get to know more advantages of Docker Swarm in later videos. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to create and manage Docker Swarm, how to create service on Docker Swarm, and how we can scale our services. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel.